Emotional, damn it!
It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes.
Ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just.
I believe I can fly.